Today I find myself fishing underneath a train trestle. Storm clouds are brewing, but we won't let that stop us from heading to the Delta. Recently I was messing around on Google Maps trying to find another cool place to go fishing, and I found this. Here, take a look.
Good old 3 Mile Creek. Do I want to go that way? Or do I want to go this way? Ooh, look at that drain pipe. Yeah, this is the ticket. Little Redbreast. Look at that. What's up, Bluegill?
Well, today I'm back, and I brought my action camera, so let's see if we can't stir up a little more action. This little road dead ends at the backside of this Holiday Inn Express, and there's a good little area to park. In fact, I've noticed a lot of people, I'm guessing either in the hotels that are here or in some of the apartment complexes nearby, bring their dogs here to walk them along the creek. Like most kids growing up in the South, I've spent more than one lazy afternoon up under a train trestle trying to hook a bluegill. This excursion is a little bit nostalgic. I felt like something. Boom, there it is. Fish on. Oh, what a beautiful little redbreast. The water in 3 Mile Creek today is surprisingly clear. I guess I'm kind of lucky that it's about to rain cats and dogs on me, because if it were bright and sunny, these fish would be able to spot me with no effort.
Kind of looks like the surface of the moon, doesn't it?
It is the strangest thing. Where the dark clouds are, no rain is falling. But I don't have any clouds over me, and the rain started. Or at least, it's drizzling.
Ho, 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 ho. That's pretty.
Well, not a whole lot of biting right here. We mosey on down towards that drain pipe now. Another pretty little redbreast. It's a shame these things don't get big enough to eat, but they certainly are gorgeous. You know, one of these days what I might want to do is set up a great big freshwater tank and stock it with things like these redbreast and pumpkin seeds that are just so beautiful but don't really get that big. Yeah, this probably isn't one of the smartest things that I've ever done, especially considering that it's raining, but it also looks really cool. As you can see, I was having a pretty good day. Nothing big, but some beautiful little fish out of this creek. And then this happened.
This here's the part where the talking dog asks you to click the like and subscribe button. Everybody loves that.